साथ साथ चलिएगा, बिल्कुल पीछे नहीं चलना है. Yes, sir. Sir, I wonder whether it will be possible for the government to achieve the target under public loan and small savings, especially in view of the recent announcement made by the Reserve Bank of India. So we have to increase our income through taxation. We should become more objective and not subjective. We should not think in terms of only pleasing some people. We cannot have a plan of high order without imposing any additional taxes. In a continually developing economy like ours, there is the question of tackling inflation. I don't expect that though taxation it is possible to control inflation. Para, the most important principle enunciated by eminent economists is that the raw material for any economic development is the human factor. This human factor has to be taken into consideration when we want to prepare an effective plan. When there is a continuing demand for increase in salaries and wages, leading to higher cost of management, we have to consider ways and means of absorbing the additional money to be pumped into the economy of the country. For meeting these demands, one factor which is glaring in our country is that we do not have any consideration for the economy of the nation. When we think of savings, the savings factor is related to the purchasing capacity of the individual. I do agree that with an increase in prices, the capacity of an individual to purchase definitely decreases. Para, in such a case, it is illusory to think of increasing the standard of living of the individual in the real sense of the term. One of the greatest difficulties